The ACDelco parking light bulb socket is the perfect solution for replacing a corroded or burned-out original socket in your vehicle. Engineered to match the original equipment design, this socket provides the ideal fit and function, ensuring a seamless repair. It is made from high-quality materials, making it both durable and reliable, providing long-lasting performance. Designed for easy installation, this socket integrates smoothly with your vehicle's existing wiring harness, so you can get your parking lights up and running again quickly. ACDelco has rigorously tested this socket to ensure it meets or exceeds the specifications for your vehicle's application, offering peace of mind that the part will function properly. This socket is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, making it a great option for anyone looking to replace their faulty socket without paying the high prices of OEM parts. Before purchasing, use the garage tool to confirm that it fits your vehicle's make, model, and trim level. Don't let a faulty parking light socket keep you off the road. Click the link in the description to purchase the ACDelco parking light bulb socket and restore your vehicle's lighting system at a fraction of the cost of dealer parts.